This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 Chrysler Nationals. Checking out a whole bunch of really cool stuff here. That Plymouth 67, it's like Belvedere 175 with the backup lights. This Dodge is from 68, 2 1/4. I love these Coronet. Cut them out. That's that bumperette's from the 64 Plymouth, and $85 for all of the Coronet 500 lettering. The doors, Dodge Dart grill. I don't see a price offhand. And $125 for that 69 GT grill. Nice Dodge Dart GT. Barracuda for 69 Cuda is $125. Excuse me, 185. Got some great trim here. More Barracuda. The grill's over there. I love it. Look at the center consoles again. $225 for center consoles. This is what I really have to get. You've got those set of cross rams. Those are the long intakes. Those are iconic, folks. They were just offered 1, maybe 2 years. Then they went to the short rams. They are asking $950 for the pair. I don't care what they are. They're just so cool. Put on just about anything. It's great. And of course, the Hurst pistol shifters. Look at those. Those are great. And what are they asking on those? $525. That is complete with all the linkage and such. Yep. We're tiptoeing through the parts here. I love it. I mean, the stuff here is just so great. So great. It's all Mopar. All the stuff which you just could not get. Here it is. The vent windows. Yeah, vent windows. Who cares? Look at those taillights. You're getting some good stuff over there. And the forward look, asking $100 on those. The plastic is so-so, but at least it's there. 69 Coronet on those taillights. Oh, this is great. This is great. Instrument packs, that's for 72 through 74 E-body. That's a rally pack, folks. Full gauges, $600. That has everything. $650 on that one. Oh. This is Mopar muscle at its best. Absolute best. 70 through 71 Hemi K-frame. Oh my gosh. That is great. $625. Let's see what else we can find. Oh. $10 each. Notice the domes on those puppies? Wow. Look at the size of those things. This is what I love about this place. You find it $165 for the air cleaner. We got some modern over here, $65. $325 for his Challenger grill setup. I like that Dodge. Oh, just beautiful, folks. Fantastic. Duster, you name it. Let's see what else we could find. Here's the B-body rear frame rail replacement. Interesting work on it. I'm not thrilled with it. And there are the parts. Assemble your own. Interesting. Interesting concept out. Barracuda in the rear. This Barracuda black back glass, 64 through 66, $150. Can't see it there. Some Dodge parts. That's a 73. That's $100 on that. Fenders are also $100 on the fenders. They're solid, so why not? $100 for that 69 B-body 4-door rear glass. Oh, the door's sold already. And this is Thursday afternoon, folks. It officially starts on Friday. Lots of good parts.